Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I will show you guys my recent obsession. I have these stuffs. Some of the stuffs are from last year, some of the stuff I just got it this year. So I'm not gonna make this intro very long, so let's get started to the video. So since I just did my nails, I want to start with this dry top coat nail polish. It's like my lifesavers for the past few years. When I discovered this, I never went back to any type of dry top coat. This is literally so good. It's Revlon. Every time I do my nails like last minute, I just top this off, and in about like a minute and a half it will be like dry, and I could do like stuff. I don't have to worry about, you know, like that dent. And especially when I do my nails at night, you know, when you get those dents when you wake up, or like the ridges, like this one is like very helpful. It's been saving my life, and I've been obsessing about this thing, and I don't think I hope they don't, what is that called? Oh, don't discontinue this. So I don't know what I will do. I know some of the brands like Essie have them too, but I've just been going back with this one. So this is the Revlon dry top coat. It's not focusing right there, and that's one. And next is this Coffee Mate pumpkin spice flavor cream. If you guys don't know me, I don't drink any coffee. I do drink tea, but tea with this will not taste good. So every time I drink hot chocolate, I just put this, and it feels like fall, and it just brings out more flavor to it. And I put a lot of like milk and water to my hot chocolate, so it gets a little not too sweet, but when I put this, it's just perfect. And yeah, I've been obsessing with this thing. I usually get the Delight, but the Delight don't have it. I don't know why, but so I just grabbed that, and it tastes the same. And next is my flat iron. This is a, I think, 1/2 inch flat iron. I'm not sure. I think so, but I don't know the size. But this is from I bought this from Sally's Beauty Supplies, and I had this for like about 3 years now. I straighten my hair with this. I curl my hair. I curl my hair with this flat iron. Even though my hair will like be this long, it will still curl so nice. My fourth things that I've been obsessing about is this shoes. This shoes like magical, because it's I don't even know how to start the story. I bought this at weird online store, and it's like from China. I saw this on my Instagram ads, and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is like perfect shoes for me. Like the height of the heel is perfect. It says it's rubber, so it's not gonna hurt my feet. So, and I bought it, and then checked the reviews after I bought it, and the reviews were horrible. And they said, oh, you'll never get it, like you'll never get your order, it's never gonna come. If you you can't even contact them, they'll never contact you back, blah 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 blah. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I mean, it's super cheap. It's like probably like $25 or $30. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I just wasted my money. But I don't really feel bad, because like it's not a big amount. But then I was really like so excited to purchase this, because I definitely online too, it looks exactly the same. So I waited for like 1 month. I told Nikki, I'm like, Nikki, it's never gonna come. Like I just wasted $30. And then Nikki told me a week later, when I told him that, he contacted the place or the company, and they said, yes, it's on the way, blah blah blah. And I'm like so happy that he told me that, and then it came. So I'm like really grateful that Nikki contacted them. And then the second story, that why this shoes is very magical is I wore this shoes when Nikki proposed to me. So yeah, it's just a magical Nikki shoes. I will call it Nikki because he's the one who made this happen, that the shoes shipped to us and that I wore the shoes when he proposed to me. So it's very magical. It's very, once again, magical. Very magical, and I'm just like in love with them because they go with everything and very comfy. So you guys know why I'm like obsessed with that shoes. And then second, since we're talking about shoes, I've been obsessing with these shoes. I have my Adidas, but they're like beat up. So I bought one, and I got this in Costco, guys. And it's Fila. And it's like the perfect white shoes. And I bought it for $20. So that's very affordable, very comfortable. I'm trying to not make it very dirty because I didn't really take care of my Adidas. Like, I wasn't really careful with them. I mean, they're still good, but this one I'm definitely going to be careful with it. I just bought it like a month ago. And they're so cute. Too much going on. The perfect white shoes that I've been looking for. I was going to buy a new Adidas one, but they're not in my budget at the moment. So when I saw that, I'm like, gotta get it. And it's very, very worth it. And next is a candle. If you guys know me, I'm obsessed with candles. Like, I don't like candles in the summertime because who really burn candles in the summertime? It's hot, like. And it's not good when you burn candle when the AC is on, just so you know. Fun fact about that. But yeah, when the weather starts to go down around like 60 degrees, that's when I go to Bath and Body Works and start buying candles, especially in the fall time. So this fall, I've been obsessing with this sweet cinnamon pumpkin flavor. I am obsessed with any type of pumpkin flavor, but this one is just the perfect scent. Not too pumpkin, not too spiced. Scent is just perfect. So I'm not only obsessed with this flavor, I'm just obsessed with candles. So any type of sweet candles, I'm obsessed with. So that's that. And then let's move on to makeup. I've been obsessed. I don't have it with me because I only took a sample for that. Wait, hold on. Oh my gosh. I think I just... What the heck is that? I don't have it, but I will put a picture and a link down below, like a picture of this tinted moisturizer I've been using. I told you guys, and from my Get Ready With Me, that I've been using the Clinique tinted moisturizer, but then I found this Hourglass tinted moisturizer. It's like not even tinted because it's like really great cover up for your skin. And since my skin is very dry, especially in the fall and winter time. But this, I've been trying the samples that they gave me, and it's been amazing. And it's not drying my face. It's the same with the Clinique, but Hourglass has more coverage. So I'm definitely gonna buy the full size, not the samples anymore. I always get the samples because I don't want to waste my money, and you know, I mean, you could return it, but ain't nobody got time for that. I've been loving it. It stayed on for the whole day when I used it on my nephew's birthday, and I've been like running around. I even used it for my engagement party too, and that was like a hectic day, and it stayed. No smudge or whatever. It was not cakey. It wasn't fading away, and it was just like a perfect tinted moisturizer. I've been obsessed with this concealer. It's NARS. I'm shade medium 2 ginger. That's the shade. It's not medium. The shade, it's called ginger. I got the travel size because, like I said in Get Ready With Me, or if I did not mention in my Get Ready With Me video, I don't put a lot of makeup anymore, or sometimes I just don't put concealer. But if I do, I use NARS concealer, and it's amazing. Like the Hourglass, it stays the whole day, and I've been obsessing with them. Next is I took the wrong shade, but it's a ColourPop. The right shade is in the bathroom, but it's ColourPop lip stain. No, it's Ultra Satin lipstick, liquid lipstick. Ultra Satin Liquid Lipstick. Yes, it's in shade Frickin' Frack. It looks like this, you know, you guys know ColourPop has been very popular, so I've been obsessed with that that shade. I'm still wearing it a little bit. I've been wearing them for the whole day. I only put one coat probably like at 10 in the morning today, and I still have some like shade in there a little bit, but I'm obsessed with this one too, Makeup Forever. It doesn't have a name of the shade, it's just number. It's called 301. It's liquid matte lipstick, and oops.
I'm obsessed with this color. Everyone, I will get so many compliments with this.
And I think I'm even gonna use this for my wedding day. It stays the whole day. Of course, it's liquid matte lipstick, but the feel of it will not make you feel that it's like about to like crack, or it's not making your lips super dry. Sometimes I just like put, you know, lip balm on top of it, but like I'm like literally obsessed with this. It's Makeup Forever in shade 301. And then random stuff again, it's this notebook. It's a dotted journal notebook. I will call this notebook is a no rule notebook, because I can do like literally whatever I want. I make my own agenda. Like I will show you guys. Like this October, you know, I made my own calendar right there, stuff like that, and it, you know, just brings out my creativity because I don't really like paint anymore or like draw, and I just like do like to-do list there. And then this is like my favorite page when I keep track of my plants, like when I water my plants. Let me see if I can find it. And it also had a table content in the front. See how I made like my plant watering journal. Like right now I'm working on the November calendar. I bought this on Amazon. I will link it down below where I got it, and it's like so nice because it has this what is this called, like elastic, no, I don't know what this is called, but it keeps the notebook closed, and it has like this bookmark, and inside of this notebook it has a little like folder like right there where you could like put your receipts, whatever you want to put in there. So it's very nice. It's a very nice notebook. It's very hefty, and it's of course like New York designs, like the Lady Liberty, Washington Park, and you know, like Brooklyn Bridge right there. I just like love this. It's not a cheap notebook. It feels really like high-end notebook. So yeah. And then next is my Tory Burch pocketbook. I've got this for a very long time, I think 2 years ago, and I can sometimes use it just like this little pouch, and I have this strap too where I can use it as a crossbody bag. I take this anywhere, literally anywhere, and it fits like literally my phone, my hand sanitizer, my little lip balm, and my keys and my wallet. So that's why I love that, because it's so small, but it's like very useful, and I can fit a lot of stuff there. And my second last favorite is this jeans. I just bought this jeans 3 months ago. It's from H&M, and I've been obsessed with them. I wear them every day. If I can wear them throughout the whole year, I can, but I don't recommend wearing this in the winter time or the summertime, because wintertime my knees will freaking freeze. And in the summertime, I just don't like wearing jeans because I get too hot. But I'm like obsessed with this. It just fits perfectly. If you guys seen my OOTD on my Instagram, like I will literally always wear this, and I just wore this on my last video. So obsessed with them. lastly, I will show you guys my recent favorite music. Oh, it's time to go. Okay, I'm almost done. I'm like...
You're so beautiful.
Thanks, Hub. He makes me like blush all the time.
Anyway, I want to show you guys my favorite song is called Closer to You. It's by Rasmus Hagen. Rasmus Hagen. That's him. But I will link, I don't know if I can link that song down below, but I will put the title and the artist. But I've been obsessed with this song. I've been like putting it on repeat. So yeah. And yeah, hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any question, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Like and subscribe, and that's it. And bye.